start building a matching interaction, hover over the left-hand menu, then click Interaction. Find the matching template in the list, dragging and dropping it from the menu onto the page. Click anywhere to close the left menu. Once the interaction appears on the page, hover over it until the content toolbar appears in the top right corner. To edit the interaction, click the pencil icon to open the interaction editor. Click anywhere in the text boxes to start editing the text. You can also change the name of each group. Click the Add button in the toolbar to add a matching pair. You can change the style of the interaction by clicking Change Style in the content toolbar. Each interaction will automatically match the color theme set up when you begin creating your module. When editing, make sure the item in the left group matches its pair in the right group. Once you are happy with your changes, click Save.